everybody, it's OutsideBoy, and we're gonna teach you how about pollution. Trash is killing our beautiful creatures at the ocean, and it's very bad for creatures because we want them to live and we can see what facts about them, and it's very beautiful and we can learn about them. And we also found a waterfall, and it's very beautiful. And it's also trash here. We're very upset. And it's more trash. There's a trash there and a trash there. Some this fishing line. They will eat this thing as food. It's actually not. It's actually lied or die. And it is. Oh, what is this? More line. This is a big chunk. You gotta throw this away. Otherwise, the creatures will eat this and the seals will die. And you can please throw out the trash for us, because it's very hard for us to clean up the ocean. It's very much. Subscribe also, please. This like and the subscribe button and hit the like button, and you can please save our animals, please. Bye.